It's finally here. Yes, the main reason I got the 𝗪𝗔𝗵𝗂𝗃. It's finally here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. I must say the best laid plans of mice and men have gone all wrong today. I found a nice quiet parking place in the shade so you could see the screen, and got unpacked, got the gear all ready. It became rather like the M25 on rush hour, so I've had to find somewhere else. So I'm actually just in a leafy suburb on the side of the road. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's CaliMoto. CaliMoto have released their system for Android Auto. Now, I'm going to say right now that I am not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I pay for the full premium package myself out of my own pocket, and CaliMoto do not know I'm making this video. Secondly, I haven't actually... Oh, his phone keeps going off, which is annoying. What's it doing now? Having a dicky fit, that's what I want. So, what I have done so far is I have updated Android Auto, and I have made sure CaliMoto was on the launcher, so it's there. That's what I have done so far. Okay, so I haven't tried it. I don't know if it's going to work. You're going to find out at the same time as me. So let's go. No active ride. Oh, that was quick. The red flashing is for a bicycle, by the way. So that was very, very quick. No active ride. So how do I find a ride? Well, that's where I am. I've got plus, minus and recenter. I don't seem to be able to do anything. Music. Ah, here we go. Nope. It looks like you've got to plan it on your phone, and then it shows up on the screen. I don't know. I mean, this is the first time I've used it, so I am not aware of how it works. So let's try. We'll put it on CaliMoto. We'll hit new ride, create round trip. Just do that and see what happens. Aha, there we go. So for the moment you have to have access to your phone to actually plan the ride. You can't do it on the screen. But this is, as I say, version 1 of the Android Auto, so you can expect all sorts of things. And then if we hit start navigation, away it goes. If I turn off that, let's see what happens if I turn off CaliMoto on the phone. Oh, it then works. Yep. So I'm getting the instructions through the screen. I got the thing to tell me to turn right and so on. And just pressing the X will actually just finish the ride. I would normally use Waze in town because that gives me traffic problems and so on and so forth. CaliMoto does have speed cameras and so on in the system, but it doesn't know about the mobile ones, and it doesn't know about traffic problems. But as I say, pressing no active ride doesn't do anything. So obviously they're going to be bringing out some new things. I don't know if you can see, but the temperature, exterior temperature, is 21 degrees. Right, so that's CaliMoto. Let's see what happens if I just go for a quick ride, as my leg is getting a bit warm from the radiator fan. So it is following me. It is. It's doing very well. I say it seems to be smaller than Waze. There is a plus sign, but it's hidden behind the home control. Let's just see if I can make it go, the map go bigger. It's supposed to change size when you with your speed. I don't know if it's doing that. No active ride, and it's where I am seems to have gone off the top. Oh well, never mind, let's see what happens. Is it going to update itself? Well, it seems that version 1, when you don't have a ride planned, doesn't actually change the map. You have to physically change the map. And so on. So that's something that they're going to need to deal with. Well done, lass. You're supposed to look before you do that. Turning straight out, hoping nobody's coming. So anyhow, so that's that. I'll see if I can hit the plus or minus button. So it looks like you've got to plan your ride on the phone for it to keep it open. So that's just a quick look at CaliMoto on Android Auto. They do need to do some work, a lot of work on there. So we'll see what happens with that as it gets updated. But this was released Tuesday, I think, Tuesday afternoon. Yeah, so they've obviously got it out, and now we need the continuous improvements. Well, thank you very much indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.